everyone, we are back. But for all our new viewers, I'm Vidhima.
And I'm Sanvi.
And we are a forever lively host, but with little twist this season.
Okay, wait. Why do I feel like whenever you say the word twist, my piece disappears?
Well, Speak Space is launching its very own Instagram page, CCWS Unscripted.
Oh, right. The page where you will see all the uncut moments and the fun.
So go check it out in the bio right now.
So they're gonna watch all our BTS.
Unfortunately, yes.
Amazing.
Drama queen. Anyways, so now we're going to be introducing our toppers this season.
So, did you see the result of Cambridge Court World School?
It has truly been amazing.
And did you know that over 54.08% of Cambridgians this year have scored 90% and above in grade 10?
And even our 12th graders has made history with over 2 city toppers and 2 second state toppers.
That is truly a remarkable achievement for a school, and that is only because of our teachers and mentors. So now let's give it up for the second state topper from Cambridge Court World School, Arav Saxena.
Namaskar everyone.
He has bagged 98.6% in the commerce stream, and we all are truly proud of him.
So, Arav, how did you manage the war between your social life and the intense focus required to reach state level?
See, it was not a very complex problem for me. What I did was I divided my day into different sections. Mostly what I would do is I would study half the day and I would do the activities that I liked the other half. Like I would play my games, I would interact with my friends, and that would allow me to be happy. I really believe that when I am in a positive state of mind, I am able to concentrate better in my studies. So yeah, that's my belief.
That is truly an interesting take on how we should manage our life. My next question to you is that we've heard that 12th is very hard than 10th. And as we know that you scored 89%. So please comment about this journey from 89% to 98%.
The thing is, I have evolved my belief system, my peers, and they have sort of acted as catalysts throughout my journey of 11th and 12th class. Plus, I really loved my subjects, and that is why my advice to all the juniors is that when you are opting for any subject, any stream, always be very mindful because you have to really stick to that subject and it will eventually be worth it.
Wonderful. So, my last question would be, what is the one thing you would like to tell your younger self?
See, when I was in my class 10th, I did not have a very good self-esteem and I was really underconfident whether I'll be able to do better in my life as compared to what I had done in the past. So if I had to give myself an advice, I would just say that believe in yourself, be confident, and if you have not achieved anything in the past, it does not mean that you cannot do it right now.
Wow, that just touched all of our hearts.
Lastly, even I had a question for you both. Your 10th results came out soon, right?
Wow, thank you so much, Ara, for this wonderful session.
But now it's time that we set the stage for new anchors with bolder ideas and bolder personality.
Gosh, Sambi, aapne bhi oldly sound. I'm afraid so. Hi, Nipova teams, Priya and Krishna.
So welcoming our highest scorer of grade 10th, Rishika Dohare.
Namaskar.
So Rishika, how does it feel like scoring 99.4% in grade 10th boards and becoming a school topper?
I am very elated. I have scored way beyond my expectations. My parents are also very happy, as well as all the teachers who have been there with me throughout the year. They are also very glad.
So Rishika, what were your real stress busters?
So for me, I have been a music lover for so many years, and I love to play keyboard. So whenever I felt stressed, I used to play keyboard, listen to songs, and watch my favorite movies.
Music has always been a therapy for all of us.
So nowadays, students usually prefer watching to YouTube videos for studying. So what is your opinion on it?
I am personally not a very big advocate of studying from YouTube. I purchased a batch at the beginning of my 10th grade to study online. But today, after 1 year, all I can say is this is not an effective method of studying. Instead, sitting in a physical classroom and studying from a real teacher, it is an irreplaceable way of studying.
That's so true. Thank you so much, Rishika. It's a pleasure to have you here. So now we move forward with our second topper who bagged 99% in her boards, Khushi Bansal.
Namaskar.
So Kushi, how did you manage sports and academics all together? As we know, you played a tournament.
Well, there's nothing as such to manage both sports and academics.
because 10th is like any other grade. You can keep your hobbies along with yourself and go along with it without compromising your 10th percentage. It's like any other class, and you can keep up with your hobbies. You can play games or sing and do whatever you love.
That's pretty interesting.
Most students tend to get pressurized while studying. So, what advice would you like to give them so that they can cope up with this?
Well, I myself didn't feel that much pressure since I was actually very curious and I had a great passion in what I studied. So I always asked why, how, and what, which gave me the answers to what I needed.
That is great.
Moving on to last but not the least, Keshav Garg, who has bagged 99%.
Namaskar everyone.
So, Keshav, here's my first question. Did you believe in making a timetable or following an open schedule?
So I believe that timetable is the one thing that we all make but feel miserably in 2 days only. According to me, you should be working according to the topics, not the time given to them. If you do like this, then you can cover your work more efficiently.
Maybe I should change my perspective on this.
So my second question to you, Keshav, is that how do you deal with the pressure that you must be facing during the time of examination?
Of course, pressure is the one thing that we all feel. Pressure is a part of what you do, but you can't let it be heavy on your main goal. For me, pressure and deadlines were the main things which motivated me to continuously keep studying and achieve my goals.
I should definitely change my tactics.
Thank you, Keshav, for joining us here, and to all the toppers who've been the pride of our school and sharing their successful insights.
So, to all our viewers, this session has just started.
New energy, same unstoppable chaos.
Stay loud.
Stay proud.
This was Speak Space.